Funko Cthlulhu. Is that the call of Cthulhu in the distance, or just your boss calling you into a meeting? Funko Carrie. Carrie White is in fact not burning in hell, but actually is sitting next to your monitor. Funko Elvira. Behold, Funko Elvira, mistress of the desk. Funko Ron Swanson. He's in charge here. Funko Jareth. Pretend you're entering the labyrinth every time you walk into your cubicle. Funko Doctor. Frank and Furter. Funko Sharknado. Funko Sharknado. Funko Bob Ross. Funko Bob Ross.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.